In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create and share a WhatsApp group QR code. Open WhatsApp on your device. On the Chats page, tap on the group name you want to share. At the top of the screen, tap the group name again to open the group information. Scroll down and tap on Invite to Group via link. From the available options, select QR code. A QR code will be automatically generated. Take a screenshot of this QR code to share it later. Go back to the Chats page and select the contact you want to invite. Tap the plus icon, then choose the Photos icon. Attach the screenshot of the QR code and tap Send. The contact needs to open the chat and tap on the QR code image. They will be prompted to scan the QR code. After scanning, a prompt to join the group will appear. Tap on Join, and they will be added to the group.